Hello world, and welcome to my channel. I just received another package from TEMU, TEMU, and it's got a couple of items in that, and I'm going to open up and show you what's in there. Okay, this is what I got. Let's open it up here. The first item I bought is a flying spinner ball. Colourful lead, you can throw it and it's supposed to come back, return. A lot of different prices out there on TEMU, but yeah, I paid $10.16 for it. I thought it might have been a good present for my granddaughter. She might like it. That's all. I might even like to throw it, but that's what I got for her. Box there. Bought some new knives as well. I might do a review on those. I like pocket knives. I use a lot of the smaller ones for work. But these big ones are... I'll follow it up later. Shouldn't have done that, I cut it. Oh well. Should not do that. So what this is, it's a dint repair kit. 47 piece, 76 piece. For $47.49. So you get the glue sticks. You get your bag to put everything in with a slight cut in it now. Tiny cut, but anyway. You get spray bottle with and a rag to clean up, a scraper. You get all these things. So I'm going to put some glasses in. So, a lunch, yeah, you get the blue. They're the ones you glue on. That's a dint puller. You bang, 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 pull it out. Big metal. A little hammer, tapping hammer. This is the squeezer. You assemble it and you can squeeze it and pull the dint out with the hands. There's some red ones. You put the glue on these, you put them on and then use the pullers to get them out. Another scraper. More bits and pieces. Hot glue gun for those when you touch it on. 240 volts. And more pullers. So I'll go through the list of what you get. I'll start off, okay, it will not harm the painted surface of your car, suitable for sheet and metal processing, automobile, refrigerator, motorcycle, washing machine. So what you do is you clean the surface with a damp cloth, stick the glue stick in the gun and turn on the power, warm it up for 5 to 10 minutes. Choose which glue tab you want to pull, which is the blues, a big one for the reds, the blues are small ones. Heaps of blue ones, different types, but they've got different heads on them, little different heads like that. The heads on those are slightly different. They all got a similar type of head. Looking at it, that one's a hex head, that one's a spline head, that one's a hex head. Hex heads and spline heads. Okay, choose whichever one you want. Put the heated glue on the tab and put the tab with the glue on it in the centre of the dint and keep it until it sticks. Let the glue cool for about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, after the glue cools, align it with the T-bar puller or the bridge dint. So the bridge dint is this one here, and that's the puller. You just put it on there and you pull, 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 pull. And then you keep repeating the steps above until it disappears. Now you try not to do it all at once. You would do a bit at a time. That's my impression how you would do something. You just would never go out doing the whole lot at once. And the easier, that's the best way. So after the dints are complete, use 95% alcohol, which is don't think it's a supply. I didn't supply any alcohol, so I got to get some alcohol. So probably metho or something, I suppose. And then you scrape it off with the scraper, one of these scrapers. So this is supposed to be the 76 package. Which includes the 37 package. So the 37 package, you get all the 37 package, and then you get extras to make up the 76 package. So it includes 20 blue tabs. These are little round ones. Slightly bigger, so you get 20 of the blue tabs. 20 of those. Two, they call them shovels, but they're scrapers. One T-bar tool. Assume it's that. That's that puller. Alcohol bottle. You don't get alcohol, of course. It doesn't say that. Not allowed to ship it anyway, probably. You get the instructions, specification book. It tells you what to do. Also question and answers, the best way of doing it and things like that. So You get 5 yellow glue sticks. Five black glue sticks. Glue gun. Now this is all the extra what I got for the extra for the 76 pieces. You get 12 red ones. They're larger. You get 12 blue tabs. I put them in there already. You already got the T-bar puller in there, which I've covered. Glue gun, glue gun, black sticks. I've already gone through this. Hammer. Don't get that with a 47 package. These are called knocking pens. I said I've never ever done this before, so I don't know what I'm doing. And this is a bridge pulling set, where you can set it up and you get there and you squeeze a hand tool and it should pop out, start popping it out, with using the glue plug of course, and squeezing like without hammering it out. Cloth of course, and the bag. Put everything in the bag, just puts everything in there. So that's what I'm going to be trying to do, is I'm going to be trying to fix the dints up in my ute. I bought the car with dints in it and had quite a few dints. Some of them are quite large, some of them are small, but I'm going to try and make it a bit better looking. Doesn't work, but even if I can get one dent out, it's probably going to pay for itself, the set. So, say $48 it is, 47.49. One dent, you pay for itself. So, I'm going to try it and see if it works. So it just goes against the dent there and the dent there and the dent's in the middle, and you squeeze the trigger and get it out. I'll just go through in depth what you do get. This is this bridge puller. So when you set it up, you can put that onto a dent. It's adjustable, of course. You adjust it out to maximum. Across the dents in the middle here. So you put it on the two surfaces, and then you would get I don't know what they are, but they're little T's. I suppose you can put them in here. Oh yeah, you'd change the bigger feet to the smaller ones. You should put it on there. I'm not sure how it works. It screws onto there. No, I'm not sure. I'd have to follow the instructions and see how it works. Never ever done this before. You get a dent and we'll leave it. Go into there. Cloths can go into there. These that's threaded. That's threaded. I don't even know what these do. Oh, this is for the hammer, I think. So you can change the heads on the hammer to a little needle point. There's a heap of different heads in here. Medium size, small ones, wide ones. So I'm assuming you screw them onto the hammer. No. Yeah, you can put them on there. Screw them on. If you want to, you just tap, 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 tap around. You can see the heads on like that. That's another one you can use. A big fat one. Extra fat one. And you get the idea what they're for. I'm not that patient, I don't think. Instructions, I put the instructions in my little kit. So they're the glue sticks. 5 black and 5 yellow. That's the glue gun. It should all have been instructions how to use it. So I am going to have a go at doing it and showing you the result of one, probably, and what it looked like before and after and during. That's the hammer. It's on a spring. And you've got a lever and it's back, pull, pull, pull. And the weight of that is designed to pop it out. And you screw on the glue. Those little yellows and blues, you screw. That goes onto here. And then you pull it off with that. Somehow like that anyway. Ah, here it is. You put it onto that end. It slips in that slot. There's a slot there. There's a slot just there. You slip it on the slot, over the head, and then go whack, 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 whack. And they're the big ones. You can see the size of them. got to be 50 mil across. You glue them to your paint, and then you go whack, 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 whack. Then you go squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. So you get all the blue ones, look at the common ones. These look like about 30 mil wide. You see them there like that. 30 mil wide. And these are smaller. These are about a bit bigger than a 10-cent piece. Those ones. There's some bigger ones in there, so there's all different sizes in there. There's some of the are ovals, some are tiny, really tiny, the one there. Yeah, so there's all different sizes to cover all different dints, I suppose. Same as this kit, there's all different sizes in there. Little tiny ones and big ones, and so hopefully I can get something out of all these. And the red ones are the same. Red ones are all different sizes as well. That one there is bigger than a 50-cent piece. That one's more like a 20-cent piece. These are like 5-cent pieces. Yeah. I'll put them in the kit. Put that in the kit. And they're two scrapers, they call them shovels. And that's it. So I'm going to zip this kit up. And that's it. I've got a cut on it now, but anyway, it's all killed. Stays it together. So everything stays in this one kit. You just pick it up, take it out, and use it, put it all back together again. Okay, well, I hope you like this. If you do, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers.